Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can use Google Play Protect. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is go to your Play Store application on your phone, and after that we can click on this profile button on the top right corner of our screen. And then since we want to use Google Play Protect, we can click on Play Protect option right here, guys, and then hold on. Alright, and we can use the Google Play Protect to protect our application and device, and we just need to click on scan right here to scan our application and to protect our application from harmful behavior. So just tap on scan right here and the application will be scanned. Alright, and now the scanning is in progress and we just have to wait. Alright, and now the application have been scanned by the Google Play Protect, and as you can see that no harmful application found. And okay guys, that's how we can use Google Play Protect on our phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.